Hello, my name is Cosmos, and today I'll tell you a few things on large space technology. So space began after Big Bang, one of the biggest explosions in the universe. So after Big Bang, the universe is unbelievable hot and dense. As the universe cooled, conditions became just right to give rise to the building blocks of matter, the quarks and electrons, of which we are all made. Galaxies and planets, clusters, stars, formed from a nebula, a type of cloud in space, and rocks. And soon, our solar system, the Sun, is the first to appear in our solar system, and planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and much more. So how can planets stay in orbit? Well, the reason for that is because of gravitational pull discovered by Newton in 1665, which keeps the planet in orbit. Jupiter is protecting us from meteors and asteroids by absorbing them. Opposite from Jupiter, Mars really wants to harm us by pulling asteroids. Saturn has beautiful rings, but Saturn has an opponent, which we'll talk later, and soon disappear because it's absorbing them. Anyway, the rest of it is very cold. It's like Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Pluto in the 19th was confirmed as a planet, but soon it was called dwarf planet because its size is not good to be a planet. Okay, we have done the first part now. For a harder part. Exoplanets are planets which are not from a solar system. We'll discover a few of them. Kepler 22. One has a weird name because it was discovered by a space telescope named Kepler. Got it? It's full of water, so you have a name for it. The planet of water. It's a habitable planet like Earth, so we can live on the planet since it was habitable. Located 660 light years away, and that's a very far distance. Because 1 light year is 9 trillion kilometers. 1 non-alien is 39. Okay, GJ504 is a pink planet because it's made of pink gas. It's similar to Jupiter, but it's 4 times bigger than Jupiter. 55 Cancri is the planet of richness because the planet is full of diamond. Yes, diamond. If you wonder how much it costs, it's $26.9 non-million, and 1 non-million is 390. Why it has so much diamond? Because the planet has a lot of carbon, which will make a diamond. Okay, so part 3, nebula, supermagnetic cluster, and galaxies. Nebula is a type of cloud, and let me introduce you to some of the nebulas. The most popular nebula is Orion Nebula, Messier 42. It's the first is an emission nebula and also a diffuse nebula, and it means that it shines itself. It's a magnitude 4 nebula. So, and our eye magnitude limit is 6 to 7 magnitudes. So magnitude 4 would be easy, but I recommend you should go to dark place to see the most detailed. And for astrophotographer, I recommend you to use binoculars for astrophotography or telescope lens. Okay, so it's located in Orion Nebula, and it's lower than the Orion Belt, the Orion Sword, and in the middle of the Orion Sword is the Orion Nebula. Okay, and so Carina. Now we go to Carina Nebula. Is an NGC type nebula, and it's a magnitude 1 nebula. So we can easily see it even in cities, and it's very bright, but it's only visible for southern hemisphere, meaning that in northern hemisphere you can't see it because it won't rise from yours. And if you're in southern hemisphere, then you can just photograph it. And I hope you get some good pictures. So goodbye, have a great time. And I have introduced a few things on my large space technology. And yes, I have a lot of space technology that haven't told to you now. Bye.